In a cozy workshop, a tiny clock named Tock sat on a high shelf. Tock wanted to tick like all the other clocks, but his gears were shy and slow. One day, the kind watchmaker noticed Tock sitting silently. "Don't worry," he said gently. "You'll learn." Tock tried to move his hour hand, but without success. He felt embarrassed. A soft cleaning brush whispered, "You need a cleaning." It brushed away dust from Tock's gears. The screwdriver tightened a loose screw. "There, you're already stronger." The lamp shined a warm light on Tock. "This will help you feel braver," it glowed. Tock took a deep breath and tried once more. Tick, tick, tick. He was getting better. Soon Tock ticked in a steady, happy beat. The whole workshop listened to his cheerful sound. The watchmaker smiled. "See, you only needed time and a little help." Moral of the story: everyone learns at their own speed. With patience and support, you can do amazing things.